I can feel the ground emerging from my core, but I'm not afraid anymore. I'm not afraid anymore. Let the monster awaken, for there is a monster within me, to protect me, support me, and to provide strength when I need it most. To find a self is a profound quote in spirituality, and I used to wonder what that quote meant, but now I know. Don't I know who I am? Don't I know what I am? In the deep recesses of my facade resides a monster, lurking but quiet, withdrawn but alert. And I was afraid to confront it, love it, cherish it. But it is part of me, it is for me, and it is me. I know now because I can see that it has stood by me during my hardest times, pushing, driving, and getting me through them. It has kept me sane, alive, and kept me strong. It has reinforced my spirit and supported me to evolve bit by bit. Now I understand that I need to face it, know it, become it. I understand now that I can only control all that I confront and not run away from it. I can only become one with the self when I surrender to it. The night can only be if I accept the day. Love can only be if I accept it, say. I can only be if I choose to see. For then I will find the self I will become.